Indus Valley Civilization. It is one of the earliest urban civilizations of India. Indus Valley is known for its town planning. There were two-story buildings with separate bathing area and closed drainage system. The place was famous for terracotta figures. Indus is known for its seals made of steatite with beautiful figures of animals on it. The animals include unicorn bull, rhinoceros, tiger, and elephant. Indus is also famous for pictographic script, which has not yet deciphered. Indus Valley civilization stretches up till Manda in Jammu and Kashmir, which is in north, and Daimabad, which is in south, Alamgirpur, which is in east and it's today's Uttar Pradesh region, and Sutkajanda, which is towards the west and it is today's Pakistan. The important sites which you need to know in the Indus Valley civilization are Mohenjo-daro, which is known for its great bath. People generally use it for religious purpose, basically for taking the holy dip. The site is also known for the bronze image of a nude woman dancer. The seal which you could see over here is known as Pashupati seal or Proto-Shiva seal, which was also excavated in Mohenjo-daro region. This shows that the people here offered religious prayers to Lord Shiva. Lothal is another important site which belongs to Indus Valley civilization. Weights and measurements are found here. The city has its dockyard, which proves that there were trade relations going on with the other countries. It is presently in Gujarat state. Kalibangan is an important site which presently belongs to Rajasthan area. Ploughed field was found here, which proves that Indus people are very much aware of agriculture. Along with this, there were also fire altars excavated from this site. Dholavira, which is now in Gujarat, known for its water dams and a stadium. People here used to follow the barter system. Indus people were the first to produce cotton, and people maintained the trade relations with Mesopotamia, Sumerians, and even Afghanistan countries. Sumerians called Indus as Meluha. Indus people imported lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, which is a stone generally used for decoration and jewelry purpose. The conclusion is Indus Valley civilization gradually got disappeared. The reasons are stated below: because of earthquakes, or maybe due to epidemic outbreak, or maybe due to tectonic movement leading to disappearance of rivers, which made the life impossible for the Indus people to stay there. So this is how Indus Valley civilization got gradually disappeared.